they are on today, so I made friends with a chicken. Why? Because I have nobody else. I made friends with the goddamn chicken. I accidentally sold the other one, now I feel bad because I sold his friend. What's over there? Come on, we're going exploring. Oh my god. What is that? See something? Adventure. Oh, it's a cloud. Why didn't you tell me it was a cloud? What's your... Look, man, you gotta tell me what things are, because I can't tell if it's a cloud. You see that? It's just a cloud. It's just a cloud. Came over here for nothing, right? What do I call you? I'm gonna call you Cloud. Your name is Cloud. Alright, Cloud. We're not putting you in that box. I'll cry if I put you in that box. You're all I have right now, Cloud. The other two are playing Roblox, and you know what we're doing, Cloud? We're having a great old time here. With this nothingness. Okay, there may not be a lot to do here, but you know what? We're gonna make the most out of it. You wanna know why? Because we don't need Alex and Casey, okay? This is all we need, okay? This is what we need. This is all I need in life. Oh my gosh, you're so cute. Wait, what happened? I stepped on you? Oh no! I'm so sorry. I won't do that, I promise. Oh my god, I love you. Why can't I take you with me? Oh my god. What if I put this in here? God, I love you. You're all I got. I'm so sorry. Oh my god, I love you. Come here. Come on. You're the best.